Hello and welcome to the GrandQA tutorial. I will show you today how to download, install and use the GrandQA open source QA management system with a new UI approach. First of all, go to the project page inside GitHub and simply download the zip file, which contains all the necessary files. Place it in your htdocs folder, save, open up the folder. Here we go and simply extract all the files inside your htdocs directory. Here we are. You can change the name any way you want. We will simply call it GrandQA. Very good. So now we have all the files. First of all, we must open the config.php file. After we have opened the config.php file, we simply need to provide the credentials of our database. We have the database host and the database user, and we will also provide the password, and the database name can be the default, which is GrandQA. Also, we need to provide a username, so we'll simply say John, and the password will be ABC. Very good. Now we will return to our browser, and simply in the URL we would enter the URL of our system, which is localhost GrandQA, and enter. Very good. And the username we have chosen is John, and the password ABC, and we log in. Excellent. Very good. Now we have the system installed. Okay, now we can see all our panels, which every one of these panels is draggable, and you can simply move it around your screen. You can place it wherever you like according to your comfort. Each and every one of these panels is completely independent. So this is the first panel, which is manage products. Here you can add any product you're choosing. You simply type its name and add. Here we have it already here and here and here. Very good. And we would also like PRD2 to be added. Click add, and we can see it here. Okay, so before we would insert our test data, we need to define what exactly are we testing. So let's say that in the panel of test instructions we choose PRD2. So we would like to see if all the analytics are okay. We would like to see if loading time is, let's say, 5 seconds. And we would like to test also if all the colors are correct. Okay, so we have our instructions and we save them. We save test instructions, accepted. Very good. So now we would like to test it. We can simply, for our comfort, you don't have to, drag here the instructions panel, and we start to insert the test result, of course, after we have done our test. So test summary, all works fine, and the test details, all analytics were okay, and also the loading time was 3 seconds, which is of course even better than we expected. And colors are correct. Very good. We have our test and we simply click on done. Okay, test is done. So now, after we have performed the test, we can see it here in show last tests. We have the ID of the test, what product did we tested, PRD2, summary and date. Now we can see the report that all analytics are okay, loading time and colors are correct, and the date. And that is basically it. We have also a basic filtering system. We can choose if we would like to see all the tests of PRD1 or PRD2. So here is what we have for PRD2, and for PRD1 we have absolutely nothing at all, because we haven't inserted the test data yet. Now the last panel is for your routine task, if you have any. Let's say that once a day you should check that all the software are online. Test if softs are online, and you choose to do it once a day. Simply add a task, and after 24 hours, if you haven't done it already, the background color of this task will be red, and you could know if you should do it again. Okay, and of course you can also delete it and add whatever task you would like. And basically that's it. It is a very straightforward and very simple, nice application. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you have any comments, please let me know. Okay, thank you, and enjoy the GrandQA software.